Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can view or play back the video or photo that you have just captured. So say I'm going to capture a video right now, and after that, when I press on the stop button, the video stops, but there's no way for you to actually view the video footage. So in order for you to view it, all you have to do is swipe up, and that will automatically play the most recent video that you have just captured. If you want to view other videos or photos, you tap on this button at the corner here, and then from here you can select. So I'm just going to tap on it again, and then from the media box you can swipe up or down, and then you can just tap on the video or photo that you want to play. So for example, this one here, you can just tap on it, and that will allow you to play video or photos from your SD card. And that's it. So if you want to close it, if you want to go back to your camera, you just have to swipe down, and that will go back to your camera, allowing you to continue to take photo or videos recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.